That's AM, in case you're wondering. It's new project car day. I've got a 8 hour drive ahead of me. So I'm getting an early start. I'm gonna go get our new car. Trailer's ready to go. Truck's ready. Let's do it. Oh, I saw this fucking thing. Look at the size of that spider. Look at that thing. See it? That's massive. Holy crap. Alright, let's go. Wake the neighbors. Alright, I got back there at about 2 o'clock. So that was a 10-hour trip, run trip. I got delayed at the Copart yard. And then I got delayed for a different reason. So it took about 2 hours longer than I expected it to. So 10 hours total. It's a bit of a ball ache. But let me show you guys what the next project car is. It's pretty nice. It's a rare car. There's not too many of these around. It's got a bunch of features on it too, like the normal ones don't have, and this is also the facelifted one before they discontinued them. So here, I'll show you guys what we ended up with. This is a 2010 RX-8. This is they call it the RD3 model, I guess. Yeah, it has Recaros in it and everything. I'll show you guys. It's real dusty in here, but yeah, it's full Recaro seats. 6-speed manual, love it. It's got this rear. That's how that rear door opens. Like a not really a suicide door, but I'm not really sure what they're called. But yeah, this one has the Bose sound system in it. There's a long list of like upgrades that this one has versus like a regular one. Let's see, I think the battery's toast on it. We can't pop the trunk. But yeah, super nice color. And yeah, that's the other thing. Copart left this plate on it, which is, I've never ever seen them do that before. So I don't know if this guy needs that plate back or not, or not sure. I kind of would have thought he would have, but yeah, super nice. So this is kind of where the main damage is. These are rock chips, rock chip, and here there's like a tiny little abrasion. I'm sure you're gonna be able to see it right there. It'll buff out. Yeah, it's not even real. Same with that one. But here's our damage. So the fender wing is not really damaged. It's just got a little scuff right here. It definitely needs painted. But our main damage is this inner piece here, and then this would be like a radiator support, or I'm not sure how far down that. Oh no, it only goes to here and across. It's probably welded in. Actually, it looks like maybe it's screwed in. So yeah, we may be able to just unscrew this and screw in a new one, and then we'll have to repair or replace this inner fender. Right, no big deal. Really, not. I think you can buy this piece. And then it looks like it's just spot welded in. Yeah, right here. So yeah, really from here to wherever that next joint is up in there. Yeah, and somebody must have worked on it, because the fender liner is missing. So that sucks. Got all little clips and things. And yeah, you can see the lock nuts being taken off of it. It's gonna need an oil cooler too. This thing's leaking. And yeah, it's got the Bilstein shocks in there. You're probably not gonna see, but yeah, you can see the yellow. Oh, it's so sunny I can barely see the yellow back there. Factory Bilsteins. Yeah, super nice car. Runs and drives. It's got a dead battery. You know, they sat there for so long. But, yeah, definitely still, you know, does run and drive, I guess. Oh, and it came with all the keys, which is super nice. So that was a bonus. So 2 brand new keys, and then there's a 3rd key over there. And keys are kind of weird. Yeah. He must have curbed it. He took a chunk of this tire out of here. So let's see. Yeah, there was almost new too, so that sucks. Maybe we'll just do a whole bunch of donuts in them. You know, cut this off, and burn these tires off it. Stick a new set on. It's gonna need rear brakes too. But yeah, so this is just a quick walk around. I'm pretty tired. I ended up getting up at 2 o'clock this morning. Couldn't get back to sleep, and then I left early to go get that. So I left at 4. I wasn't gonna leave till 5, but and then I got delayed. Like I said there, so that really, it's been a long day. But yeah, so that's gonna be the next, you know, bunch of videos on the YouTube. There are my YouTube channel, I guess. You know, it's gonna be a while. I just picked it up, right? So I gotta figure out all the parts. And I gotta clean it. It's nasty. I want to clean it, get it on the lift, do an inspection on it, you get ordering the parts and everything, and yeah, it'll be several weeks before I actually do anything to it. But, so yeah, there you go.